Let me tell you the hard, unfiltered truth about earning millions of dollars. It's not all hard work. Hard work constitutes about 20% of actual real wealth. One of the most important and main parts of your success is your mindset. You think the only thing separating you from all those billionaires is their bank accounts? Really? They have a way of thinking that is so rich that any problem life throws at them, they shrug it off. Unless and until you learn to have that mindset, you aren't going anywhere. Watch till the end, and I will tell you something that is a fact in success, but most millionaires tend to hide it. The answer may shock you. Let's start by shattering a myth. You've heard it 1,000 times. Work hard and you'll succeed. But if that were every construction worker, every nurse pulling double shifts, every teacher grinding through endless lesson plans, would be a millionaire. Are they? No. Because hard work alone is not the ticket. Hard work is an entry fee. It gets you in the game, but it doesn't guarantee you'll win. The real players, the ones making millions, they're playing a different game entirely. Let's look at the facts. The world is full of people who work themselves to the bone, day in and day out, and still struggle to get by. Meanwhile, there are people who seem to leap ahead, making more money in a month than most do in a year. The difference isn't just effort, it's strategy, it's leverage, and it's mindset. So what's the difference? Mindset. And I'm not just talking about positive thinking or put your vision board on your wall. I'm talking about the ability to see opportunities where others see obstacles. The willingness to take calculated risks when everyone else is playing it safe. The discipline to keep going when everyone else quits. Let me give you a real example. Think about Elon Musk. He's failed more times than most people have even tried. He's been on the brink of bankruptcy, ridiculed by the media, doubted by experts. But he keeps going. Why? Because his mindset is unbreakable. He treats failure as feedback, not defeat. And just look at him now. Millionaires don't just work hard, they work smart. They invest in themselves. They learn new skills. They surround themselves with people who challenge them, not just people who agree with them. They aren't afraid to fail because they know every failure is a lesson. Here's a practical tip. Start training your mind to see solutions, not just problems. When something goes wrong, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I turn this setback into a setup for something better? That's how millionaires think. Here's another truth. Success is not a solo sport. You need a network. The people you know, the relationships you build, the mentors you learn from. These are all multipliers for your success. You can't do it alone. Every millionaire has a team, a circle, a mastermind group. They invest in relationships as much as they invest in themselves. Think about it. Your net worth is your network. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Find people who are ahead of you, who inspire you, who challenge you to level up. Don't be afraid to ask for help, to seek advice, or to collaborate. And don't just network up. Network sideways and down too. Help others. Share your knowledge. The more value you bring to others, the more value will come back to you. Let's talk about leverage. This is something millionaires understand deeply. Leverage is about getting more results with less effort. It's about using systems, technology, and people to multiply your impact. For example, instead of trading your time for money like everyone in the world does, find ways to create value and that pays you over and over and over again. That could be starting a business, investing in real estate, creating digital products, or building a brand. Ask yourself, how can I get more out of every hour I put in? How can I automate, delegate, or scale what I do? That's how you start to build real wealth. Now, I promised you I'll reveal something most millionaires never talk about. Are you ready? Here it is. Luck. Yes, luck, but not the kind you're thinking of. Luck isn't just about being in the right place at the right time. It's about putting yourself in enough places, enough times, that eventually the odds tip in your favor. This is basic hit and trial. Millionaires create their own luck by taking action, by showing up, by saying yes to opportunities, even when they're scared or uncertain. But here's the secret: they don't rely on luck, they prepare for it. They're ready when opportunity knocks because they have been working, learning, and growing the whole time. And let's be honest, sometimes it's just about privilege. It's about access to resources, education, or connections that others don't have. But here's the thing: you can't control where you start, but you can control how you play the hand you're dealt. You can outlearn, outwork, and outlast almost anyone if you refuse to quit. Now, here's the real question: what can you do starting today to put yourself on a path to millions? It's simple, really. Change your mindset. Start seeing challenges as opportunities. Train yourself to think bigger. Invest in yourself. Read books. Take courses. Learn new skills. The more you know, the more you can earn. Build your network. Reach out to people you admire. Find mentors. Join communities of like minded people. Find leverage. Look for ways to multiply your results. Automate, delegate, and scale. Remember these three words. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and adjust as you go. If you want to earn millions, stop focusing only on working harder. Start working smarter. Build your mindset. Grow your network. Leverage your time and skills. And put yourself out there again and again until luck finds you prepared. If you found this truth uncomfortable, good. That means you're ready to do something about it. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your first million is you. Work hard, live well. Peace.